Hi, this is Matthias here from Windsor, and today I'll show you how to connect Google Ads data into Claude so you can prompt your Google Ads account for information. As a first step, you had to onboard Windsor.ai, and in here, go to Google Ads and grant access by signing in with Google. Once this is done, the connection is complete. Then you had to Claude. In here, you have the settings connector section, then type Windsor.ai here, click add, connect. Now the connector is available in Claude. Then in here, you should also be able to find it. Now you can ask, what was my ads spent in the last 7 days? There we go. Now the data is prompted. Of course, you could go and ask it more complex data, like what is the best performing campaign in the last XYZ days, or what should I do to improve my overall outcomes with my Google Ads account. Thanks very much for watching and enjoy connecting Google Ads to Claude.